Yes, guys, as you can see, I found a place to sleep. There's my basin, there's my urinal, there's a toilet there in that cubicle. Now there's my clothes, dirty clothes, some other crap, shoes. Yeah, that's my little work cart with the balloons inside and whatever, and there's my sign. And yeah, that's one way to keep a door closed if you can't lock it from the inside. Put a broom under it and wedge it. Yeah. Say hi to my cold drink. Hey, we got a nice child lemon crash. Okay, so that's the door. This is me sleeping here. It's my bed that I'm lying on. Everything going for me, bread, some apricots, more bread, whatever. Stuff, my radio, my pillow, righty, there, up there. I got my own power supply and the light. Yeah, as you can see, it's a container. And yeah, this is me inside my container. How are you guys doing? Yeah, I'm bloody sure. I got nothing else to do. Yeah, so guys, while we have a look at this nice cold drink that I'm drinking, I've got an idea. You know YouTube pays people, but there's some certain things you need to do. You need to be part of the YouTube partnership program. You have to have something like 100k views and 40,000 subscribers. So let's all get paid by YouTube for the advertisements. Let's subscribe to each other. For every person that subscribes to my channel, I'll subscribe to their channel. And then I'll watch your videos and you watch my videos. Then we all rake up the criteria that's needed to get an advert in front of our videos and get paid then. Don't you think it's an idea? I mean, anyone, message me, subscribe. We know it's costing us nothing. So, my channel, just hit the subscribe button. I'll subscribe right back. And then, yeah, we help each other. So, yeah, we need something like this, especially me. I mean, this coming Sunday, it's my birthday. It's going to be the worst ever because of this pain of this cancer, but hell, what can I do? Maybe a nice little payment from YouTube will do. Anyway, keep uploading, guys. Keep uploading, and wish me luck so I get somewhere else to stay. Good night, guys. See you around.